Hi agents, today we're going to talk about numbers. No, I don't mean how many sales you want to have. I mean, how many numbers does it take to get a yes? How many people do you have to call to get a yes? How many people do you have to talk to? How many events do you have to go to? That's so important when you're trying to track your yearly progress and track your numbers when you're prospecting. So if you know for a fact you're on the phone, say an hour a week, and you're making 50 phone calls, and you know that number 24 is typically going to give you a yes, doesn't that make you feel so much better? So you know you've already made 21 phone calls, you're getting really close to that yes. So when you're doing your prospecting, it's really important to track all of these numbers, whether it is you being out in public and talking to people, or whether it's cold calling or just calling your SOI. If you have any questions about how you can track your numbers and things that you can be doing to do your prospecting, give us a call, 210-324-7629. I'm Ara Vesperman with the Missy Stagers team, and we're here to help if you ever need us.